All right, so let's take a look at the intervals where f of x is positive. If that's what you're trying to find, which form of a quadratic is going to be the best one to look at? So think about that f of x being positive. That just means when the y values are positive. So that's anything up here, right? You want to know when that is on this graph. It's a quadratic, so you know it's going to be this little U shape, right? So thinking about whether standard form is the most helpful, vertex form, or factored form. So let's just think about any quadratic. I'm just going to do like a basic quadratic. Let's say that this is our vertex, and let's say that it looks something like this. Yeah, not beautiful, but it's something. It'll get us enough of information to get an idea of what's happening here. So think about that. We want to know when the y values are positive. And so the y values are positive for this part of the graph, you know, continuing on forever, right? From here forever, like to infinity. Okay. So if I know they're positive from there to there, then the vertex is not really part of that. So I can see that vertex form is not really what I'm looking for. Where this starts is always based on these x-intercepts. And these x-intercepts are from factored form. So that's what I'm looking for when I want to know when the y values are positive. If I've got it already factored and I can go straight to my x-intercepts, then I can just automatically see, oh, this one's opening up. So that means the interval where I have y values that are positive is anything less than this negative 7 point whatever that x-intercept is, and also anything where it's greater than whatever that point is, positive 0.5 or something like that. You know, those are going to give me y values that are positive numbers. Okay, I hope that helps you. There's more of these, so keep looking for the next one. See you next time.